Assalamu alaikum. So that's gonna be our first long format video, and the topic is what Jillian Gametes really means to me. We decided to make this video a Q&A one, so that you guys can expect more from me. Let's see how it works. Let's get started.
So, Mr. Usman, what Jillian Gametes really means to you?
JG is part of me. JG is like a plan into action to me. JG is a journey to me. Yeah, that's JG to me.
Acha, what's something about Jillian Gametes people think they know, but they are completely wrong?
That we are just another software house trying to grab more and more clients, trying to oversell. Yeah.
Then, what you actually are, and what did differentiate you guys from other software houses?
Yeah. So basically, we are not just here to generate revenue. We are not just here to grab sales, to generate revenue. That's a part of us. That's part of JG. That's responsible for it. But whole JG doesn't stick around it.
अच्छा, आपको इतना मुश्किल नाम रखने का आइडिया आया कहाँ से? What does Jillian Gametes really means by the name?
अच्छा किया ये सवाल कर लिया. हम एक शॉर्ट में भी शायद इंट्रोडक्टरी वीडियो में ये जवाब दे भी चुके हैं, लेकिन हमें रोज़ इंटरव्यूज़ में कोई किसी के लिए नया होता है, नेटवर्किंग में सवाल आता है कि वाई डिड यू केम अप विद सच अ डिफ़िकल्ट नेम. हमारे लिए तो बड़ा आसान है. Jillian means countless and Gametes means a group of talented people. That's what we are actually. और क्यों रखा भाई, कुछ अलग रखना था तो बस हमने दो अच्छे नाम जोड़ दिए और JG का नाम हमने रख तो दिया, लेकिन JG को JG बनने में, Jillian Gametes बनने में कई साल लग गए.
अच्छा, तो फिर मतलब आपका इसमें क्या मतलब है Jillian Gametes बनने में?
मतलब नाम रख देना was not tough ना. Anybody can name its brand, but right values around name, right people around its name, ये गैदर करना, इस पे वर्क करना, that was a challenging part. और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्लाह have been very kind to us कि हम अपने नाम की थोड़ी लाज रख पाए. शुक्र अल्लाह का कि हमारे साथ कई बेहतरीन लोग जुड़े इस जर्नी में. कई बेहतरीन लोग हमारे साथ इस जर्नी में पार्ट हैं, JG फैमिली का पार्ट हैं. और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह नाउ वी कैन कॉन्फिडेंटली से कि व्हाट डू वी रियली मीन.
अच्छा फिर what do you want people to feel when they hear the name Jillian Gametes?
Our name states it. I want people to get first thought of a group of talented people, a group of hardworking people, focused on their craft, focused on delivering results, and focused on making impact. That's what I want people to feel when they hear Jillian Gametes.
Talking of impact, let's discuss what part of this journey has changed you or changed in you as a person.
The hard times taught us a lot. It shaped JG the way it is now. And I often say hard phase of your life, of your professional life, of your personal life is the best teacher, the best mentor you can ever get. So respect that, face it, and one day you'll look back and say Alhamdulillah, that hard phase of my life, of my professional life, really helped me push the boundaries I wouldn't have pushed if everything was smooth enough. So Alhamdulillah, those hard parts really carved JG, really carved me in a way what I am today.
Thanks for sharing that, Mr. Usman. So let's move forward to the next question. Do you think the people around you truly understand what you are building?
No, they don't. Simply because we haven't been able to make a huge impact till now. So we still have a lot to do. We still have a lot to uncover. I don't expect people to start believing in us, to believe whatever we say. I believe in we should be doing the right actions, we should be taking the right decisions, and the time will say what we are saying today. And inshallah, that day we won't be having issue explaining people what we are building, what we have built. It will come naturally, inshallah.
इंशाल्लाह. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की जाने बढ़ते हैं. सबसे मुश्किल फेज कौन सा था और उसने आपको कैसे बदला?
अच्छा, काफ़ी लोगों से ये सवाल अगर हो ना, तो शायद इसका आंसर यही आए कि जब हम अपने रेवेन्यू मार्क्स नहीं अचीव कर पा रहे थे, जब हम अपने माइलस्टोन अचीव नहीं कर पा रहे थे। लेकिन मेरे लिए जो सबसे मुश्किल फेज़ था ना, वो था जब हम रेवेन्यू तो जनरेट कर रहे थे और माइलस्टोन्स तो अचीव कर रहे थे, बट वी हैड नो क्लैरिटी, we had no plan of execution, we had no path decided which way to go. We just had this one thought, this one go to action, and that was just to make money. And that was the hardest part, coming out of your comfort zone at that time when you are generating revenue, but you come out of your comfort zone and say it's not just about making generating revenue. We should look forward, we should explore more, we should see what else we can do apart from just generating revenue. And coming out of that comfort zone was the hardest part for me.
ओके मिस्टर उस्मान, बाकी मेरा एक और ये सवाल ये है कि जिलियन गैमेट्स सिर्फ पैसा कमाने के अलावा क्यों एग्जिस्ट करता है?
So first off, Jillian Gametes exist because we make money. That's the truth. If you are not making money, you can't exist. And why we always say money making is not our primary goal. Why do we say that? Is because what we observed in our society is only making money won't make an impact. Alhamdulillah, we are making an impact by helping a country exporting, generating revenue for our company, for our country too, not for just ourselves. But only making money won't make the difference we are trying to make.
Okay, good to hear that. Moving on to the next question. How has loyalty shaped what Jillian Gametes mean to you?
So the basic foundation of Jillian Gametes, why Jillian Gametes is still here, is I would say the oxygen of Jillian Gametes till now is loyalty. Circles around loyalty very much. I'm the believer in loyalty over systems, over hierarchy, over check and balance. I'm a strong believer of loyalty, and Alhamdulillah, I have been blessed enough to be around the people who never failed me in believing this. Loyalty would take you far away, which system, which practicality won't take you.
All right, that makes sense. Do you think the people around you truly understand what you are building?
No, they don't. And I won't blame people for this, because we hadn't made enough impact in society to call it a win-win or to call it a goal. We still have a lot to do. We still have a lot to prove. Then we could expect people to actually start knowing us, to actually start believing in us. And till then, we have to keep looking forward. We have to keep working. We have to keep our focus high. We cannot blame people that why you're not believing in us, because society doesn't believe in your words. Society needs actions, society needs results, and we are working on them still.
Acha, Mr. Osman, speaking of people and society, I'm just a bit curious about your logo and mascot. Like the way you told us about the name and meaning of your Jillian Gametes. Can you enlighten us with your design of the company as well?
Which our mascot is an astronaut. Why is it an astronaut? Because throughout our journey, you know, Ahmed, throughout our journey, we have always heard it, we always sensed it, that many of our fellow company owners, many of our fellow people associated with our industry do look us down for our actions. They do feel we are fools. They do feel we are not practical enough. They do feel we are too much emotional, and our actions do reflect it somehow. Many of our actions, many of our day-to-day operations reflect it. So our mascot is an representation of, us being rebellions, us being against the society, us being out of this world, out in outer space, working our way, selling plots on Mars, making living on Mars not a dream. So in our planet, in our small planet, we are astronauts. We are building something. We are making impact on areas where our industry never even look at.
Now I get why you are in touch with Elon Musk in DM.
Let's move on to the next question. What's the biggest lie do you think the agency industry is telling clients right now? And be honest, Mr. Usman, how JG is different from them?
So you're pulling me into a controversy. यार क्या पंगा लें बाकियों से, हम तो नहीं करते भाई, तो हमें इतना नहीं पता कि क्या क्या झूठ बोला जा रहा है क्लाइंट से। एक जो शायद मुझे पता है और इसका हम भी पार्ट रह चुके हैं, वो यही है कि क्लाइंट्स को ओवरसेल करना। क्लाइंट्स को कम पैसों में अच्छी चीज़ दी जा सकती है, अच्छी वैल्यू टू मनी चीज़ डिलीवर हो सकती है, लेकिन क्लाइंट को उस चीज़ के बारे में ना बताना। आज के टाइम पे क्लाइंट इज़ मैच्योर इनफ टू डू हिज होमवर्क। तो आप नहीं बताएंगे तो वो खुद अपना क्वेश्चन ढूंढ लेगा, उसको खुद उसका सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएगा विद टाइम।
अच्छा, जब एजेंसीज़ की बात हो ही रही है तो बहुत सी एजेंसीज़ ऐसी हैं जो अपने स्टाफ को ना एज अ मैकेनिकल पार्ट यूज़ करती हैं और समझते हैं कि वो लोग मतलब रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं अपने स्टाफ को ऑनगोइंग ऑपरेशंस में। वैसे जबकि आप अपना मतलब इसी टीम को आप खुद लीड कर रहे हैं, तो हाउ डू यू मेक श्योर कि आपके जो है लोग फील करें कि वो जस्ट एक लेबर नहीं है जो पे रोल पे हैं, उससे ज़्यादा कैसे फील करें वो?
तो ऐसा नहीं है क्या?
ये तो आप बताएं।
ऐसा ही है मेरे हिसाब से। एवरीवन इज रिप्लेसेबल एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ अ व्हीकल is replaceable, and I see people in this way too. Everyone is replaceable. If something is not working out, you should replace it. But the twist is कि क्या आप चलती हुई गाड़ी का कोई पार्ट रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं? कर सकते हैं?
नहीं, ऑब्वियसली।
तो जब हम हैं ही जर्नी पे और हम हैं ही इतनी सेंसिटिव व्हीकल पे, and that is our spaceship, that's what our mascot represents, that we all are astronauts. So yeah, we are not replaceable. Nobody among us is replaceable, not because you cannot deliver, you are not delivering, but because we are on such a journey that we cannot afford to stop it mid-air and replace a part. So we are already in a journey which demands its astronauts to keep stick with it. Nobody can eject, at least between the journey. So we are on a ongoing journey. और इस जर्नी में जब आप हैं ही आउटर स्पेस में, हैं ही स्पेसशिप में, और क्रू मेंबर्स ने काम करना ही करना है इस स्पेसशिप को टू कीप इट रनिंग, तो मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू तो यही है भाई। सिंपल सी बात है, हम एक जर्नी पे हैं, मुश्किल जर्नी है, मुश्किल व्हीकल है जो ऑपरेट हो रही है। एवरीबडी हैज़ इट्स रोल्स, सो नोबडी कैन स्टॉप इट फॉर अ मिनट कि भाई साइड पे रोकना, मैं ज़रा इसका फ़िल्टर चेंज कर दूं। तो ये पॉसिबल है नहीं मेरे ख्याल से स्पेसशिप के लिए। जो भी इस जर्नी में जुड़ गया है उसको एटलीस्ट या तो आउटर स्पेस तक हमारे साथ जाना होगा, या फिर उसे बीच रास्ते में इजेक्ट होना होगा। और अब वो बीच रास्ते में इजेक्ट हो, अब उसे ब्लैक होल खाए, या वो मार्स पे रुक जाए, वहाँ पानी ढूंढे, इसका हम कुछ नहीं कह सकते।
ठीक है, फिर वीडियो को एंड करते हैं। और मैं वाकई में तारीफ़ करना चाहूँगा जिस तरह से आप अपना विज़न लेके चल रहे हैं, और आपके जो मीनिंग्स हैं जिन्होंने मुझे बहुत इम्प्रेस किया टूवर्ड्स आपके जो नाम है और आपका जो मैस्कट का जो पीछे का विज़न है वो बहुत अच्छा था, इम्प्रेसिव था।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, थैंक यू। सो या लेट्स रैप इट अप देन, लेट्स सी हाउ वी डिड इट। ओके, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।